Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today, as you have read by the title, I'm going to share a solution for all our hair problems. Now the season is changing so rapidly and you don't know when it's going to rain, getting very cold and everything, and because of all this changing weather, changing water, our hair is really affected. Now I've been facing this hair problem since a very long time. I'm having hair fall, dandruff, you just name it, and I have it. Like my hair is has been very crazy all this winter. So today I'm going to share with you one-stop solution for all our hair problems, and that is, and this is how the packaging of the hair oil looks. It's a cardboard box, and then you have all the ingredients and everything mentioned here. Also, it's 100 ml of product and it costs for 195 rupees. And then here on the packaging, we have what are the uses of this hair oil. You can read it, and I think it really works great for hair loss, dandruff, and dry hairs. And I think these are mainly my problems, so I really like this hair oil for that. And this is how the closer packaging looks of the bottle. Very nice, very chic. It comes in a plastic bottle which is transparent, so you can see how much you have finished, and I have finished quite a lot. So this is how the bottle looks, as you already saw, and as you can see, I have finished almost half of the bottle. Now I really love this hair oil. So the first thing is, let me just give you a little information about my hairs. My hairs are very oily hair type, so I usually don't apply any hair oil. But since I started using this hair oil, my hairs have been very soft and shiny. Now this hair oil has all the natural ingredients, all the Ayurvedic ingredients. The some of the ingredients I'll read for you guys. And it has the Bhringaraj tail, which is very good for our hair. Then it has Brahmi till oil. Then it has camphor also. So all so so as you can see, there are so many Ayurvedic ingredients listed here. So my hairs are been very soft and silky after using this hair oil, and also my hair fall is reduced to a very nice certain level. I had a huge hair fall, like you cannot even imagine my hair loss. But now comparatively it is decreased to 50 to 60%, which is a really good thing. And also my mom used this hair oil religiously more than I do, because she has a dry hair type and her hair was getting very frizzy and brittle and very rough. But since she started using this hair oil, since I think first or second wash only, she started seeing the difference that her hair was getting very soft, shiny, and it also kind of looked black, which is a really great thing. So I think every hair type can use this hair oil. It's definitely non-greasy, and it makes your hair look soft, silky and shiny, which is a definitely plus point. It is definitely non-greasy, so you can use it or leave it overnight and then wash it the next day, and your hair will look so soft and shiny and very voluminous. Now you can use this hair oil if you have the hair fall problem, or if you want to regrow your hair. All the ingredients of this hair oil promotes hair growth as well. So you can definitely try this hair oil for that. And this hair oil is really nice, and you need a very little amount for to apply all over your scalp. You can gently massage the oil into your scalp, and then just leave it for 1 to 2 days or even overnight and wash it off next day, and you will definitely see the result. This hair oil is definitely a very nice hair oil. You can definitely try this out. I'll put all the links to purchase in the description bar below, so make sure you check that out. And also this hair oil is really affordable. I'll just put the price here because I don't really remember the price. So I'll put the price on the screen. and I really love this hair oil. This makes your hair very nice, bouncy, voluminous. If you're looking for a hair oil which is non-greasy and also helps you to promote your hair growth and solution for all of your hair problems, then you should definitely check this out. If you like this video, then make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share this video with all your friends and family.